Hello friends, good evening here. Actually, I am going to talk about today the connections between the eye and the brain. Yes, eyes are the one of the sensory organ among the five. There are five sensory organ: tongue, eye, ear, nose, and skin. So eyes is the work visualization and getting the image and sending the data to the brain. This is the work. Actually, your vision is 20/20 means you can see the clear to the 30 feet, okay, up to 30 feet. If you are if I ask, you can have to stand on the one leg, your closed eyes, but you cannot balance your body because your eyes also means possibly you cannot balance your body because eyes send the information to brain also the balancing the things because it's sending the this to the brain. Actually, you see any the object, there is a light passing to the object and light reflects in your eyes, so your eyes that comes to the iris and getting to the lens through the there is a retina is made up of the cone and rod cells that are sensitive to the light, and in retina there is a in the that midpoint the image got flipped, so the image got flipped and they are sending to the brain. But which route? There are the nerve fibers of optic nerve are the second cranial nerve, and there are the pathways the optic nerve pass from the eyes to the brains. But during this distance, the question is, does the right eye send to the right part of brain and the left eye shows the data to the left part of brain? Yes, this is actually, but during this path, the midways, the some of the optic nerve from the right eye are sent to the left side of the brain, and some of the left side of the optic nerve are sent to the right side of the brain. But brain can detect very clearly that these nerves are from the left side of the eyes and these are the right eye. So yes, this is actually you are seeing the object that brain process the object and to the process to the area of the lobe which is called OCCUPTI, occipital lobe. And there are the other areas that helps, the temporal lobes also helps, and the frontal lobes also helps a lot of the holes, but occipital lobes and the temporal lobes are important here. Actually, the reason that you can donate your eye to the other person, because the eyes are open to the soul. That's why the eye are called open to the soul, because there is a privilege that you are getting, that is the immune privilege you are getting. What is immune? Actually made up of the cells, tissues and organ. If any foreign agent comes, then your antigens and antibody are formed and they are kicked in. So there are the temperature is raised and the inflammation is formed. But the inflammatory responses are generally good to the body, but they are also create the problems while donating the organs and in the surgery, because while donating the organ it seems to be the other cells and the large inflammation is caused and operation failed successful because there is a lot of inflammation caused. But there is are the sites that are the inflammation privilege, that are the uterus, brain and testes. What actually the eyes are called immune privilege, because this limiting the immunity, this limiting the inflammation, and there is no cause, there is inflammation, so these stem cells also may transfer here so that your blood vision or the lost vision can be recovered. So this is the benefit of this immune privilege, and this is all about the eyes. So yeah, thank you.